This guide will demonstrate how to book and invoice seed in Seed Tracker, starting from creating the seed variety all the way through to invoicing a sale. To get started, we'll go under the Product Master menu, then click on the Seed Varieties option. Here, we'll click Add to create a new seed variety. To create the variety, we'll enter details like the variety name, crop type, and seed supplier for the variety. Once all the details have been entered, we'll click Save to save the variety. Next, we need to make a product using the variety we just created. In Seed Tracker, a product is a combination of a variety and a pedigree. Under the Product Master menu, we'll select Products. Now we'll click Add to create a new product. Here we'll add details about the product that we want to create. We'll choose the variety and pedigree from the drop-down lists, set a unit of measure, enter a standard price, and give the product a name. Once we've entered all the required details, we'll click Save to create the new product. Next, we'll need an inventory site to put a storage location on. An inventory site represents a physical location or yard where you have bins or warehouses. We'll go under the Inventory menu and select Inventory Sites. Now, we'll click Add to create a new inventory site. Here we can add a name for the inventory site and give it a description. Once we have that information entered, click Save to create the new site. Next, we'll need to create a storage location to put inventory in. We'll do this on the Storage Locations page, located under the Inventory menu. Now we'll click Add to create a new storage location. Here we can enter the name, description, and capacity for the bin. We'll select the site that we created previously to assign the bin to. We'll choose bin for the type and bulk seed for the usage so we can receive bulk seed into it. Click Save to create the new storage location. Now we need to create a customer. We'll do this on the Customers page, under the Sales menu. Then we'll click Add to create a new customer. To create the customer, we'll enter their name and address information. Once all the required information has been entered, we'll click Save to create the new customer. Now we need to receive some inventory to sell. We'll do that under the Inventory menu, then choose the Inventory Lots option. Here, we'll click Add to create a new inventory lot. To create the lot, we'll enter a crop year, crop certificate number, lot number, and choose the product to go with the lot from the product drop-down list. Now we'll click Save and view lot details. This is the Inventory Lot Details page, where inventory for the lot is managed. To receive some seed into this lot, we'll click Receive, then choose the Receive Inventory option. Now we'll choose the bin that we created as the receiving location to put the seed in. We'll also specify the quantity to receive and the unit of measure. Then we'll click Save to receive the seed. Here we can see that the inventory has been received into the lot. Next, we'll create a booking for this seed. To do this, we'll go under the Sales menu and click on Bookings. Here on the Bookings page, we'll click Add to create a new booking. We'll select the customer we previously created to make the booking for and fill out any other necessary details. Clicking Save will create the booking. To book some seed, we'll click the Add button under the Product Line Items tab. Here we'll choose the product that we want to book. We can also choose the specific lot of that product to book if we want to. Lastly, we'll enter the quantity booked and then click Save to book the specified quantity. Now we can see that the product has been booked, and the booked quantity has been removed from our product availability. Next, we'll create a pickup for this booking. To create the pickup, we'll open the More Actions menu and choose Pickup. On the new Pickup screen, we can specify details about the pickup such as the date, PO number, truck license, and consignee. Once all the necessary details have been added, we'll click Save Pickup to create the pickup. Now that we're on the Pickup Details screen, we can start adding quantities to the booked items. This tells the system exactly how much to take out of inventory to represent the amount of seed that the customer received. We'll click on the product that we want to add a scale ticket for. The option to add scale tickets, totes, or bag pallets to the pickup will appear. Since our inventory is in a bin, we'll click the Add Scale Ticket button to create a scale ticket. Now we can choose the location to pick up the seed from, record the scale ticket number, and enter the weights for the pickup. The gross, net, and tare are automatically displayed at the bottom. Now, we'll click Save to save this scale ticket. The scale ticket will now be displayed for this product. Multiple scale tickets, totes, and bag pallets can be added to a pickup as needed. We can also see that the picked up and remaining quantities have updated. based on the amount we've picked up. Once the pickup is complete, we'll go under the More Actions menu and click Post. This tells SeedTracker that the pickup is completed. Lastly, we'll want to generate an invoice for the booking. To return to the booking details page, click on the booking ID on the pickup details page. Now we'll open the Invoice menu and click on Generate Invoice. There are a few options when generating the invoice. We can add unique comments to the invoice, override the date, and even tell SeedTracker to close the booking after the invoice is generated. We'll click Yes at the bottom to generate the invoice. The Booking Invoices tab is where the invoice can be found. It's also downloaded to your computer automatically after it's generated. To download the invoice, we can click the first button under the Actions column. This will download a PDF copy of the invoice. We also have the option to email the invoice directly to the customer if we've added their email address to their account. To finish up this booking, we'll click the Close button to close it. Thank you for watching our sales process demo. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.